Introducing the new LP360 AI Classification Bundle, your all-in-one solution for easy, fast, and accurate ground classifications. Now available in LP360, the AI Ground Classifier uses advanced deep learning models to separate ground from non-ground. No training data or AI expertise needed. Just upload your data to LP360 and let the AI go to work. Classification is seamless, processed through the cloud and returned directly into your project, ready to use. Compared to traditional methods, our AI delivers cleaner surfaces with far less editing, especially in complex terrain, under canopy, and around low features like curbs and shrubs. Users report significantly reduced cleanup time and higher quality results, without losing control of their data. Leverage the power of AI and the cloud to process computer-intensive automatic ground classifications. Get the full AI workflow for just $4,570 per year, including LP360 Drone, Strip Align, and the automatic AI ground classifier. Smarter tools, better surfaces, less effort. Start your AI-powered automatic classifications today with LP360. Talk to an expert or visit LP360.com to learn more.